I got an oldie but goodie, y'all. Rice Krispie treats. All right, this only requires like 4 ingredients, really. You have your butter, Rice Krispies, mini marshmallows, and vanilla extract. We're gonna melt down 4 tablespoons of butter. After that, you're gonna get a 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows, add in about 8 ounces of it. Melt it on down, nice and creamy. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix that in. Boom. Once you do that, turn the heat off, add in your Rice Krispies. As soon as you mix that up, add in the rest of your mini marshmallows, about 2 ounces. We're going to transfer this to a tray lined with parchment paper. This is going to help out with the cleanup. We're going to press it into place, even it out. And now we're going to let it cool for about 10 minutes or so. Once it cools, we're going to slice it in little squares. These are pretty big, so I gave them another slice. Hey, it's springtime, almost summer. It's an awesome treat for the kids. They'll love it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Man, these things crispy, gooey, and chewy. Peace, y'all.